Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you are all doing well. Today, what I wanted to make a project using the items and maybe a few others from this kit. So I'm speeding up this part and doing a voiceover to shorten the length of this video. So the subscription kit comes with a couple of stamp sets, as well as these cute little card sets that you can cut out with the dies. You can also use the stamp set to color yourself and cut out with the dies. This is just something that I'm showing you that I got from HSN, which is a larger version of this subscription kit. It was launched on HSN a little while back, beginning of this month, I think. So a lot of times the subscription kits give you opportunity to try different type products from Crafter's Companion. But here, these are comes with card blanks as well as envelopes, and this particular kit has 3 different size card blanks: a 5x7, a 4 1/4 by 5.5, and 5 by 5 inch square. It comes with patterned paper and solid colored paper. This is just one of the cards I made with the larger set. And then I was showing you the stamps. Now I'm just trying to decide what I want to do. I love that light colored wood grain paper right there. And so here I'm showing you there are numbers like A1, A2, A3, and little tabs on the dies themselves that line up with the little dots on the paper to help you align your dies with your floral image. So I went off camera and cut those out. So now I'm just going to layer the pieces together using dimensionals, and then I'm going to add that to the card. Now I'm trying to decide which stamp sentiment I would like to use. It has a lot of cute sentiments on it. And here you're going to see me make a big mistake. But it's okay. I do fix it before this video is over. It started off well enough, and there's where I messed up because I accidentally moved the stamp when I was trying to get some ink off of it. So, but not all is lost, as you know, when you're creating, sometimes there's mistakes, but there usually is a way to resolve it. So here I took out a scallop circle and a circle from the compendium kit. That was the first auto ship for that compendium, card making compendium that came with the Gemini Mini. So it worked out great. And I don't know what I'm talking about right now. And that is why I'm doing a voiceover. This video was originally over 30 minutes long. So as you will see in a little while, I decided to use something different. I didn't like the rhinestones. They just weren't working for me on this project. And then I did another boo-boo. In the process of that, I tore my paper. So now I'm using a little butterfly from that compendium auto ship to cover up where I accidentally tore the paper, taking the rhinestone off. I love that glue. And lastly, I'm going to add these little rhinestones to the back of the butterfly. There you have it. That's my card for today. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you are new to my channel, I hope you will click and subscribe, as well as the notification bell and make your choice in the drop down menu so that hopefully YouTube will let you know when I upload future videos. As to date, those upload days are Tuesdays and Thursdays. For those of you who have been following me for a while, I do apologize because I did not get this past Tuesday's video up, the Cricut Legacy Machine series that I've been doing, because I was working on the hospital mask. I have a friend that's a nurse, and so I was making some of those for her. And yeah, so enough chit chat. Thank you again so much for watching. I appreciate every last one of you, and I look forward to being with you again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.